Suara Risu waktu debut kok agak beda sama yang sekarang. Kenapa? Karena Bang Messi. Kalau pakai suara yang lebih tinggi itu telinganya mendengung Bang Messi. Jadi cepat sakit kepala Bang Messi. Makanya suaranya diturunin.
Nih, lihat nggak? Ush.
Also, I think you noticed though, for the first year of me joining hololive-ID, Risu's voice for the whole first year was higher than the normal Risu's voice that I use nowadays because it actually affected my ear. So when I use the higher Risu's voice for a long time, it affects my ear. Like it rings a lot. So most of the time it's distracting.
これ痛い。You know what?
Not the throat, but the ear. Got it. Yes, it's the ear. La 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 la. So more Ayunda time. I approve. No, I just said that I make Risu's voice a little bit lower compared to the first year of my debut.
부르부르 간바리 리수. I'm Ayunda Risu from hololive-ID. よろしくね.
Controlling the tone voice is really hard, isn't it? Not really.
Like I can legit just change it like this, but
it depends. Again, it depends on the mood.